In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery from your Honda key fob. This is a very common key fob that you might have seen the last 10 years. So mine is going to be the keyless entry, but it shouldn't be too much different if you have the Sport or the key model. Now, I went to Honda to change this battery, and they listed that it'd be $20 to change it. So I thought, 20 is not that bad, but this battery, you can get it for less than $1 per battery. So I was pretty offended that Honda wanted to charge so much. And to top it off, this takes approximately 30 seconds at most to change. So these you can find on Amazon. I got the Energizer ones just because they're a little better quality. But this battery is going to be a CR, let me see if I can focus this, a CR 2032, super common battery. And let's go ahead and start. So you want to remove your emergency key here. This key you're going to use to open. So as you can see, there is this little gap here. You kind of just wedge this key to pop it open. You turn it right there, you torque it, pops open. Here's your battery. You can use your fingernail to remove this. It's going to have little grooves there so you can kind of see. So just get it from an angle and this will pop out. So you can see there, popped out. I'm going to get the new one. I'm going to slide it in. The key is now in. You just align this. Make sure you pop it in from all sides. As we can see there, it's fully sealed. We're going to insert our key back in. As you can see there, it works. So save money, guys.